Welcome to our channel. Creating effective thumbnails is crucial for getting views on your videos, as thumbnails are the first thing potential viewers see when deciding whether to click on your content. Step 1. Understand the ideal thumbnail dimensions, which are 1280 by 720 pixels with a 16:9 aspect ratio, ensuring your thumbnail displays correctly across all devices. Step 2. Choose design software appropriate for your skill level, with options ranging from Canva for beginners to Photoshop for advanced users. Step 3. Select a bold, eye-catching color scheme that contrasts with YouTube's interface and stands out in search results and suggested videos. Step 4. Use a high-quality image from your video that clearly represents the content, ensuring the image is well lit and in focus. Step 5. Add large, readable text that complements your title without repeating it exactly, using bold fonts that remain legible even when the thumbnail is displayed small. Step 6. Keep text to a maximum of 5 to 7 words so viewers can read it quickly while scrolling through videos. Step 7. Include human faces when relevant, as thumbnails with expressive faces showing emotion tend to get more clicks than those without. Step 8. Add visual elements like arrows, circles, or highlights to draw attention to important parts of your thumbnail. Step 9. Ensure your branding is consistent across thumbnails by using the same color scheme, fonts, or logo placement to build channel recognition. Step 10. Test different thumbnail styles by creating variations and analyzing which designs get the best click-through rates, then refining your approach. Your attention-grabbing thumbnails are ready to attract viewers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.